Welcome to Afro and Kinks. My name is Tiffany Rose, and it is a pleasure to meet you. If we already met, hey bestie. We're going to DIY. DIY. Hey, I'm going to show you how to do a simple DIY deep conditioner with ingredients you probably have at home already. The ingredients are conditioner, butter, and no, not the butter that you spread on bread, but mango butter, shea butter, cocoa butter, or you could use honey. And you will need hair growth oils or hair growth oil blends. Some hair growth oils include carrot, castor, jojoba, lavender, neem, olive, peppermint, and rosemary oil. You can choose any conditioner that you want. It can be a cheap conditioner, expensive, or one that fits in between. But do not choose a conditioner that has silicones, because silicones actually create a waterproof coating onto your hair, which prevents moisture from penetrating your hair shaft and causes frizz. And we don't want that. For the butter, you could use shea butter, mango, cocoa, or kokum butter. I am going to use a butter from Butter Grow Hair Care, which is a black-owned business. This hair butter contains mango, shea, and cocoa butter, jojoba and peppermint oil, and aloe vera gel. If you do not have a butter available, you could use honey, which softens hair, minimizes frizz, and attracts moisture to your hair. Today, I'm going to use oil blends from black-owned businesses. Yay! I truly do love these oil blends. Some key ingredients are carrot, castor, rosemary, neem, apricot kernel, sweet almond, vitamin E oil, and organic hemp oil. They also include nettle and horsetail leaf along with lavender buds. If you do not have oil blends, you could make your own or use single oils like coconut oil, olive oil, or other hair growth oils that I had mentioned earlier in this video. Let's get to business. You're going to need a measuring cup to measure the conditioner or to put boiling water into. You also need a glass cup and the butter of your choice. You need 2 tablespoons of butter. Put it into your glass cup. Now add boiling water into your measuring cup. Add your glass cup into the measuring cup, but make sure the boiling water does not get into your glass cup. Stir the butter so you're not waiting for the butter to melt forever. Stirring it definitely helps it to melt faster. This is what it looks like when it's almost melted, but not completely melted. Just keep mixing it and mixing it. Take an empty, clean container and 1 cup of your conditioner. Add the melted butter into the container of the 1 cup of conditioner. If you are using honey, this is the step where you would add the honey. It is time to stir it together. Now the mixture is thicker. If you want it to be even more thicker, you could definitely add more butter. This is why you need to melt the butter. If not, you will get tiny pieces instead of butter that dissolves into the mixture. It is finally time to add the oils into the equation. You need 1 tablespoon of oil. You could also use 1 teaspoon if you don't want too much oil into this mixture. Add it in and then stir. You will do the same thing for each oil or oil blend. Put 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon, put it into the mixture, and then stir. Once again, 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of oil or oil blend, then put it into the mixture and stir. This DIY mixture actually helps with hair growth because one, you are using hair growth oils, and two, you should definitely use this with heat because this will help the oils actually penetrate your hair shaft instead of just sitting on top of your hair. Comment down below, what are some of your favorite hair oils? I am loving this. I cannot wait to put this into my hair. Let's go. Look at the curls forming. And look at how my hair is bouncing back up.